In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an offer on Facebook Marketplace. If you're looking to snag a deal on an item or even just engage with sellers, knowing how to skillfully navigate this process can make a big difference. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to Facebook. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Simply open up your web browser and type in facebook.com. Enter your email and password if prompted, and you'll land on Facebook's main page. Once you're on Facebook, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll see a menu with various options. Now, you'll want to find and click on See More to expand this menu. This action will reveal additional choices that aren't immediately visible, ensuring you have access to all the features available. After clicking See More, locate and select Marketplace. This is Facebook's own localized hub where people buy and sell items. Clicking on Marketplace will bring up an overview of items listed for sale in your area or based on your search filters. Now that you're in the Marketplace, it's time to find the product you're interested in. You can browse through categories or specific search results until you find something that piques your interest. When you do find that item, click on the product's image or title. This will pull up the product's detailed page where you can see more images, a description, pricing information, and seller credentials. Here's where the magic happens. Sending a message. Once you're in the product listing, look for the option to send a message to the seller. Clicking on this opens up a chat window, allowing you to communicate directly. This is your chance to express interest and, if you wish, make an offer. Be clear, concise, and courteous in your message. Remember, the tone of your communication can influence the seller's willingness to negotiate. A helpful tip here. When making an offer, it's always good to have some evidence or reasoning behind your price. This could be based on your budget, the product's condition, or comparable pricing for similar items. Such an approach often leads to more successful negotiations. And there you have it. You're now ready to explore the marketplace and start sending offers with confidence. Practice makes perfect, and over time, you'll become more skilled at both navigating the platform and making offers that get noticed. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!